Is it the right time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 5, 2024, our system has classified Ford as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.14. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Moving forward, we'll closely monitor this evaluation to observe its progress in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $11.28 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and a possible trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.83% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 13.72% and 34.05%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -10.19% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -27.77% and 11.46%. This means that the stock price could range from $8.37 to $12.92 after a year. Our latest update for Ford brings some concerning news. Ford stock has been downgraded to a strong sell candidate. On the last trading day, Monday, February 5, 2024, the Ford stock price experienced a decline of 4.53%, dropping from $12.14 to $11.59. Throughout the day, the stock's value fluctuated by 4.68%, reaching a low of $11.54 and a high of $12.08. Although the price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, it has only increased by 3.48% over the past 2 weeks. Despite a significant increase in trading volume of 11 million shares, the prices continued to fall. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $925.92 million worth of Ford shares were bought and sold, with a total of 80 million shares exchanged. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $15.42 and its lowest price of $9.63. Currently, the price is 24.84%, equivalent to $3.83, below the 52-week high, and a significant 55.2%, equivalent to $14.28, below the all-time high on January 13, 2022, when it reached $25.87. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Benchmark gave Ford a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Ford an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, Citigroup gave Ford a hold grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Burrell & Company gave Ford an overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Barclays gave Ford an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Ford stock a general rating of buy. They recommend buying the stock based on its P/E ratio and price to book value. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be analyzing the signals for Ford stock. Let's start with the positive signal. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is showing a buy signal for Ford. However, there are also some negative signals that we need to consider. These signals may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Both the short-term and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals for Ford. This gives a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upwards, it will face resistance at the levels of $11.75 and $11.78. A break above these levels could issue buy signals. On Tuesday, December 26, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -6.91%. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices recently. This may be an early warning, and it's recommended to closely monitor the stock. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence-divergence signal, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which showed a sell signal 28 days ago. The Bollinger signal, on the other hand, indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we see a sell signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 2 days ago. Now, let's explore the relationship between the short and long moving averages. We observed a buy signal 14 days ago. If we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we discover the following signals. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Analyzing the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we found a buy signal 25 days ago. To explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Ford. Ford stock finds support from accumulated volume at $11.46. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when it's being tested. When it comes to trading, Ford stock has average movements throughout the day, making the risk considered to be medium. In the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $0.540, which is equivalent to 4.68% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.13%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Ford, let's start by going over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio could suggest that the market has lower expectations for the company's future, or that the stock is undervalued, which may present a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is scheduled to be released on April 30, 2024. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Ford. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $11.71. If you don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ford encounters its first support level at $11.46. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. In this video, we'll discuss the current rating for Ford according to multiple analyst sources, which is buy. But before we dive into that, let's explore some recent insider trades. One of the prominent insiders, Ford William Clay Jr., has recently made a series of transactions involving the buying and selling of a total of 2,070,730 shares or options in the company. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 13.696. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 4,588,300 shares and sold 3,412,900 shares in the last 100 trades. Our evaluation of this stock is negative, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Ford stock a good buy? Despite a positive trend, the Ford stock currently holds several negative signals. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the next few days or weeks, leading us to have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a strong sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock and found that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 6th, we expect Ford to open up $0.147 and start trading at $11.74. Before we begin, let's keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock and we want to hear your thoughts too. Share your opinion by commenting below. We're curious, what is your target for this stock? Let us know. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.